Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm teaching you how to make your boyfriend, the person you're dating, know how important you are. These are the tips you are going to use to let him know that you are an important person, that you are a person of value, you are a valuable asset to him and to his life. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at @NoraCharlie. For all your fashion and design needs, follow Faith Peters on Facebook and Instagram and order any design or fashion or dress, whatever you want. To book a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1, know your worth. First, know how valuable you are. Then, after you know how valuable you are, you will add value to yourself. You will know how you want to be treated, what you want to give to be given, where you want to be taken, what you want to get from this relationship, how you want to be communicated to, what you deserve as a woman, as a lady, as a girlfriend. Know your value first, know your worth. Then you will know how you want to be loved, how you want to be cared for, how you want to be valued by your partner. First, know that you are special. First, know that you are an asset. First, know that you are a beneficial person to this guy. Value yourself first. Nobody is going to value you, not even your boyfriend, if you don't value yourself. Do not let anyone or your boyfriend make you feel like you're someone of low value or you're less important. He must know that he is lucky to have you, so he should treasure you and treat you well the same way you treasure him and treat him. Number 2, tell him how you feel. Open communication is very important in a relationship. Every time you feel like he is less valuing you, every time you feel like he is not regarding you as important, let him know. Talk to him. Be specific to the point. Point at the point. Don't beat around the bush. Just point at it. Say it. Know what you want, know what you feel, and say exactly that. But remember this. Do not always focus on the negative. Point out the positives. And then tell him the negative. Point at how you feel at that particular moment. Tell him that the reason as to why you're pointing it out is because you value the relationship and you want it to work. And you don't want to get out of the relationship. You want to feel your worth in this relationship. Let him know that the reason as to why you are pointing all these things out is that you want him to improve on the way he is treating you as his girlfriend. Number 3, act what you feel. Yes, sometimes just talking about an issue is not enough. You will talk and you won't see changes. A week, a month, a year, someone won't change. Sometimes if you keep talking too much and not doing anything, they will feel like it's the usual music to their ears. They hear. They will feel like there is nothing new. But when you talk, act, put a little distance. Don't call or text. Give him a cold shoulder so that he realizes that you are serious about what you are saying and you want him to change. Yeah? Don't just talk and life flows and he doesn't change, you talk again, life flows, he will start to take you for granted. Remember, if he really loves you, he will not allow you to keep feeling unloved, unappreciated, uncared for, and undervalued. He will make it up to you. He will make you feel important again, if he really loves you. Number 4, have a life. Go out with your other friends and mingle. Visit your family. Don't be this person who is always locked in a relationship. Every time you go out with your friends, you go out and have a different life away from this relationship, you get refreshed. It makes you feel fresh. It makes you feel like you're not locked up in a box. Have fun. Let your boyfriend know that your happiness doesn't depend on him. Show him that you can have fun with your friends, that you are happy even on your own, that your life doesn't revolve around his life. Let him see that. It's going to make him value you more, appreciate you more. It's going to make him feel that you have a life away from him. Doing this, he will understand that he does not want you to get used to a life of happiness without him, away from him. These are some of the things that make him want to propose, that make him want to draw closer, to come in to the relationship, especially if he's out of the relationship. Number 5, know that you are a girlfriend, not a wife. Limit the things you do for him. Are you the type of girlfriend who acts like a wife? You always cook, you wash, you take food for him, you take juice for him, you clean his house, you clean after him, you shop for him. It's not right. So he will not want to make you his wife because he's getting everything a married man gets. You get it. Know that you are a girlfriend. Limit what you do for him. Do not be the type of girlfriend who doesn't know your worth, who always apologizes even when he's in the wrong, who always wants to take the responsibility of everything he does, who is head over heels for him when he's not. Do not be the type of girlfriend who is in the relationship alone. It is not going to help you. He's going to keep taking you for granted and he won't value you. Know your worth. That's why it was point number 1. Know your worth. And remember, I said limit. I didn't say stop. Limit the things you do for him. I didn't say stop completely. That will make him feel like you no longer care. Maybe you are out of the relationship. Maybe you are with someone else. Just limit. Don't go overboard. Yeah? Make him value even what you do by limiting. Make him feel like this is a good person. This is a good girl. This is a good girlfriend to me. This is what I need in my life. And if I'm to take it to the next level, I will get more of this. I will get more of this happiness. I will get more of this understanding. I will get more of this care. Limit.